Perfect. Hello, everyone. My name is David. And before we start, I just wanted to introduce my teammates. So I work with Alex and Zainab, who are sitting right there. That's your name. And me and my teammates, we are guppy enthusiasts. So put your hands up if you know what a guppy is. Woo! Okay. Many of you, but not everyone. Well, for those of you who don't know, a guppy is a type of tropical freshwater fish, and they're actually one of the most popular, and they're one of the most popular and widespread fish among aquarium enthusiasts around the world. So they're very popular for fish tanks and that other stuff, but they're not your typical aquarium fish because they are very, very horny. Now, as a guppy enthusiast, one of my favorite things to do is to breed my guppies so that they can make wonderful guppy babies. And lately, I've been trying to find a partner, a mate, for my guppy, Bubbles. Woo! Bubbles here. But given how sort of niche the guppy hobbyist community is, it's been really hard trying to find the perfect partner for Bubbles. That is until I found SwuppyTheGuppy, the world's first dating app dedicated to guppy fish. With SwuppyTheGuppy, I can see all the hot single guppies in the area. So I can see photos of them. And if I want, I can swipe through every single profile, and I will be able to see each fish in a little bit more detail. So emerald, I don't really like emerald. Bubbles doesn't like emerald. But for me, I'm quite a lazy person, and I don't want to swipe through every individual profile. It reminds me way too much of Tinder. So I'm going to use AI to help find the perfect match for Bubbles. So if we go to Guppy GPT, and I'm trying to guys, Guppy is very picky when it comes to dating. She really likes black guppies. So we're gonna ask Guppy GPT to find Bubbles a male black guppy. Recommend me a male black guppy. Perfect. So we have Onyx. It has recommended us Onyx, and I want to see a little bit more about Onyx. Okay, Onyx looks good. He has all the attributes that Bubbles likes. But one thing is, again, as I said, I'm very lazy, and I don't want to travel too far to pick up Onyx. So I want to see where Onyx is located. So here you can see the approximate location of Onyx, as well as the location of all the other single guppies in Barcelona. It looks good. It's not that far from here. It's about a 20-minute drive or so. So I think I'm going to go ahead with it. One other thing is I get to see the owner looks a little bit sus, if you can see. It has a profile page. I can't really see it, but I get to see the ratings. The owner has 4.5 stars in ratings, and the owner has 15 reviews. So that seems pretty trustworthy. So I think I'm going to go ahead with the match request. So I'm going to click on this, and this will create a match request for Onyx. So I want to take Onyx from today to next week. And here, I'm just going to write a short and sweet introductory message just to establish a chat with the owner of Onyx. So, do you want to meet? Okay. So once I send the request, I come to a page where I can see all my past requests as well as all my pending requests. And of course, I can see the request I just sent to Onyx. And if we tap on that request, we establish a chat with the owner of Onyx, where we can arrange the details about the pickup or something like that. a little bit more. So, oh, look, the owner has replied. The owner has said, hi, okay, I could be a good match. Let's meet at Mariana in 1 hour. That sounds good to me. And now we have a date set up for Bubbles, and she can finally find the perfect mate. And that's basically it for today. That's it. If you have guppies, if you ever buy a guppy, don't forget to use SwuppyTheGuppy.